If your footage doesn't fit the frame in Premiere Pro, this usually happens when clips come from different cameras, resolutions, or photos with different aspect ratios. Here's the fastest and cleanest way to fix it. First, open your project in Premiere Pro and place your clip and image on the timeline. If the clip looks too small or too large, right-click directly on the clip and the timeline. From the menu, you'll see three options: Scale to Frame Size, Set or Fit to Frame Size, and Fill Frame. Click Fit to Frame Size. This instantly resizes the clip to match your sequence while keeping the best possible quality. If you check the Effect Controls panel, you'll notice the scale value changes to match the frame properly. Now, right-click another clip and choose Scale to Frame Size. It looks similar, but when you check the scale value, it stays at 100%. This option rasterizes the clip to the sequence size, which can reduce quality and cause pixelation, especially when scaling up. If you use the Fill Frame option, it will resize the image or clip to the sequence canvas properly. As a rule of thumb, always use Fit to Frame Size when resizing clips, especially when scaling up footage or photos. Scale to Frame Size or Fill Frame are mainly for scaling down large clips and can hurt image quality. To save time and create an even faster workflow, you can make Premiere do this automatically. Go to Premiere Pro, then Preferences and Media, find Default Media Scaling, and select Set or Fit to Frame Size. Click OK. From now on, any new footage you import will automatically fit your sequence. If you need to apply the same scaling to multiple clips, just drag and select all the clips, right-click, and from the menu select Fit to Frame Size. This instantly matches the scale across all selected clips. You can also manually scale the image or video clip using the Effect Controls panel. That's the easiest and cleanest way to fit footage to your frame in Premiere Pro without losing quality. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.